Hi there, we are making bottle crafts out of recycled bottles. The trick to the submarine is making it submersible. Now, if you fill it with air, it's just going to want to float. If you fill it with water, it will just want to sink and it won't want to come up. So for a young kid playing in a bathtub or in a pond, the best thing to do with a submarine is to put holes in various parts of it so that it can both fill up with water and drain with water as it comes up to come to the surface. So the first thing we're going to do, just like we do with all of our water bottle crafts, is we're going to take the outside off, and I'm going to start putting holes in it with the drill. Doesn't matter where, just all over. Now we're going to put a propeller on the back because that's how submarines are propelled. So we do want to have quite a few holes in the back so that as it's moving through the water pushes through and turns the propeller. The big key to making a submarine is the propeller. What I have here is a propeller. This is also a windmill or a propeller for a plane or a submarine. Now, what I've done is I've taken one of these talking rain bottles and I've just sliced the bottom off of it like this. Cut straight down right here. And then I'm going to come in diagonally on this side. See that the wind can blow into here, or in this case with the submarine, the water will blow into here, pushing it that way and turning it. I've drilled a hole through the bottom with a small drill, and I've taken a bottle cap and done the same thing, drilled a small hole. Now this screw fits in here very nicely so that it will still spin, all right? And you can see it has some motion there. What we're going to do in this case is we're actually going to put it the other way, in the direction opposite that we would do if we wanted wind power, because in this case the power of the submarine comes from behind. So I'll use just a Phillips head screwdriver here and just secure it a bit. Alright, but there's still some motion there, as you can see. Now this is kind of the tricky part. You just got to get your fingers in there, and we're going to screw this cap back on. And just using air, you can see that it does spin. And now because we've placed some holes right near here as well, the flow of the water around the submarine and through the submarine will have that spinning when you have it in the water. We have one more device to add to this, and that will be our extension pole for sightings. So we're going to put that up near the front in some of the more rigid part of the plastic. And then we'll just screw this guy in. And there you have it. It's a submarine.